Hello guys, you're welcome. It's your one and only Team Legend, your skill coach in Forex trading. So today I want to show you guys this awesome strategy for catching spikes and also for uh, and also for getting the ticks, okay, the Forex ticks, the candlestick ticks. I'm gonna teach you how you're gonna get enough ticks and wait for the spike, and once the spike comes you also buy for the spike. All right, so in this tutorial right now you're gonna earn in two different ways. You're gonna profit in two different ways. You're gonna profit by selling, and you're also gonna profit by buying for the spike. Okay, so this is a very simple strategy, nothing much in it, just a very simple. You can also apply it on your Android device because currently I have it also on my Android device. My two phones, I'm using them currently for trading on the different platforms. Okay, so this is just a very simple strategy, like I said. So before we begin, I want you to do me a little favor. You can make me smile by hitting the subscribe button, okay, down below, and don't forget to turn on the notification bell because every week I'll be throwing down new strategies. This is a current strategy. As you can see, the date is 23rd of October. So this strategy is working today very fine, and it's gonna work tomorrow by the grace of God, because I've been using it since the past 2 days now, and it's still working perfectly. So now let's go straight to the point. Okay, so as you can see right here, we have let me just give you the indicators. We have the Bollinger bands, and we have the relative strength index. As you can see, just two simple uh, indicators for this strategy. Okay, so let's go to the property for Bollinger. On the Bollinger, we have period 34. We have deviations 1.600. Okay, we have a sky blue, depending on your chart background. Okay, so since I'm on a white background, my style is blue. Okay, my shift is 0, my levels is none for the Bollinger bands. Okay, so for relative strength index, we have we have 95. Okay, wait, parameter 10 period, apply to close, style black. Okay, then under levels we have 95, we have for the 1.08, we have 52.43, we have 10.27, and then we have 0. Okay, so on the 10.27 you can give it a name to spike. Okay, because that's where we want to monitor our spikes from. So with these two indicators, let me explain how it's going to work. All right, so now as you can see, this is a long spike here, this is a long spike here, and this is what it indicates. Okay, and at the same time this is another spike, and this is what it indicates. This is another spike, okay, and this is another spike. Now whenever your trade, okay, whenever the trend is coming down, all right, you can keep buying. When the trend gets to this level, stop. Sorry, whenever the trend is coming down, you can sell. All right, when the trend gets to this level, don't sell. You just remove your sell immediately. Okay, and then monitor it. Once you notice it has passed these two lines and probably is still moving, then you can continue selling. All right, then when you notice that it has gotten to this line, okay, you close your sell immediately, and then set it on buy, because there will be a spike. Once it has passed this line, be expecting a spike, as you can see. Okay, so in this case it spiked to this level, and then it began to then the bears began to take power for a little while, and then there was another spike. Okay, so the bear took a little power again, and then there was another spike. Notice I'm in the 1 minute time frame, okay? So, and when there was another spike, a little spike again, the bears took power, a little spike again, then the trend began to flow again. So here the bears took power and then took power, and then notice what I told you guys, that once it's getting to this line, please don't even let it to get to the line. Once you know you're selling and it's getting close to the line, just close your trade immediately, because there might be a spike. So this place, this line, this line, this line are dangerous lines for sellers. Okay, so you see here there was another spike. When it got to this level, there was another spike. As you can see, when it got to this level, there was so much spikes. So make sure once you're selling, once it's getting close to these two lines, you just close your trade. Okay, and then there was also another selling here. Close your trade here. Once you know that it is passed, then you continue selling. Once it's getting close to this line, you set for a spike. Okay, so that's just the strategy. Very simple, guys. It's very simple, and I'm using it to win. All right, I just don't want this video to be so long. If not, I would have decided to wait for a while so that you guys would see the next spike. Okay, and the next spike is actually gonna get close to this line, because it is past here, as you can see. So if the strategy is working for you, do me a favor by liking the video and comment below, and tell me what next you would love me to produce. I'll be ready and happy to do that for you guys. Thank you very much. I remain your one and only team legend, your forex skill coach. Thank you.